guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Ruth and I hope you guys are doing fantastic. It's that time of the year, it's my birthday trip and we are in Jordan. I'm just so happy with it. We hardly missed it, but I'm just riding. Super cold. Yeah, there's a quick change in plan. We are in way he has rushed. There is literally no one. It is the famous Red Sea ka rasta hi itna deadly hai. Very cold. So we are in Amman airport. Our flight was early in the morning from Mumbai to Sharjah. Sharjah mein layover tha. Sharjah to Amman, which is Jordan ka capital city. Today we are going to explore Amman and today the plan is to rent a car for 8 days. So we are here for 8 days totally. So yeah, I'm so excited. It's literally pura offbeat location and it has been in our bucket list for a while now. Last year ही जाना था, but of course for valid reasons we did not come over here. So I'm so happy that we finally made it over here. And yeah, first impressions, people are very sweet. Jordan is visa on arrival. If you have Jordan pass, you don't have to pay any visa fees. It's included in the Jordan pass. So I'll say always pre-book your Jordan pass when you're coming to Jordan. So yeah, now we are going to rent a car, head to our hotel, and yeah, I'm going to take you guys on this fun journey. I'm super duper excited.
Let's go.
That's the Amman airport.
Wow.
Duties.
100 kgs.
Of course my bad. We are waiting here for our car rental. उस हम लोग को इधर Starbucks के सामने वेट करने वाला है. I want to take a Starbucks souvenir from Jordan. I took it from Dubai also. Alseeds का Starbucks है, वो अभी खराब हो गया है. So I'm just checking out the collection. इधर नहीं तो of course बाहर. It's freezing cold. Like हमारे मुँह से निकली धुआं आ रहा है. It's that cold over here. That's the Amman city right over here.
It's very cold for us.
Thank you. So from AutoNation we have rented this car for 8 days and this is how it looks like. Of course left hand driving है, rules as they said. Explain कर दिया है सब कुछ and I'll give you more details. I'm just shooting the car for our record also कि सब कुछ damage नहीं है. We are in our car. Finally हम लोग बैठ गए after बहुत ज़्यादा ताम झाम करके. So the best way to like travel in Jordan is to rent a car. So we have rented a car for 8 days. We rented a car from this company called as AutoNation and उधर they have like a proper website where you'll get all the information like per day कितना costing है and all that. So I'll leave all the details in the description box below. Make sure you're carrying a credit card or a forex card so that they can block the deposit amount. So yeah. That's the update. We are like freezing. It has started raining also. So
feels like 2 degrees.
Oh भाई I don't know कि मैं कितने vlogs बनाने वाली हूँ because these vlogs are going to be super informative because it's a very offbeat location. So जितना information I can give you, I'll keep giving you in the vlogs. So yeah, now we are going to Amman city. We are entering the city and our plan I'll tell you अभी because we are running little late. So let's go. First things first, हम लोग गैस स्टेशन पे आए हैं पेट्रोल फुल कराने के लिए. So our hotel is 41 minutes from here. Snacks. ये रास्ता बहुत दूर है, हम लोग को बहुत भूख लगी. We have finally reached our hotel in Amman. This is where we are staying. This is the Castle Star Hotel and that's our car. Only here for 1 day. So yeah, now we are just going to check in. I'll give you guys a room tour. I'm just so happy with the property. The reception area itself is so cool. That's where you enter from. And that's the reception area. It is so pretty. They have stuck like all the currencies from different parts of the world. Even we will do this tomorrow when we check out. And that's the Jordan's map over here. This is the terrace of our hotel. Right up over there is the Citadel and right down over there is the Roman Theatre. It is walking distance. We have chosen the perfect location and towards that side it's where you can eat food. So yeah, as always हम लोग ने एकदम मस्त location choose किया. This is our room in Amman for a day. It's very छोटू सा, cute सा and very clean. This is the washroom and That's our view. इसके पीछे रोमन थिएटर है एंड उधर सिटाडेल है. We are on our way to go to the Citadel and Roman Theatre, but our hotel guy was saying it is going to be shut. It's 5 o'clock right now, but we are just seeing कि open होगा तो हम देख ही लेंगे. So we did go to Citadel and वो बंद था. वो 5:30 को बंद हो जाता है, but 5 बजे लास्ट एंट्री होता है. We hardly missed it by 10 minutes, but it's okay. हम लोग कल सुबह Citadel और Roman Theatre भी कवर कर लेंगे. Now that we are dressed up, we are going to go and explore downtown Amman, and we are going to this very famous street in Amman which is called as Rainbow Street, because we are very hungry and we have not eaten anything, so that's what we are going to do. And yeah, we will show you guys around. अभी हम लोग कार से ही जा रहे हैं. And hotel guy also told us कि like walking ही जाओ, like ऊपर भी walking ही जाओ. But then अभी कार है तो क्यों walk करना है? We'll figure something out parking wise वगैरह. Finally eating our lunch plus dinner from this place called as, क्या नाम है इसका? This is the name of the place. We took parcel also to eat at our room. Our hotel is basically like a hostel, so you have to like cook for yourself. So we got a parcel. अच्छा था taste wise. It was nice. Rainbow Street के भाई है. This place called as Shawarma 3A Saj. So good morning. This is the next day in Amman. This is the kitchen area where you can warm your food and fill your water bottles over here. Our host gave us carrier.
Zafar.
This is a local thing which he has given us. So sweet of him. We're eating this for breakfast. Local. It's very different, but it's nice. There is a wall full of notes from different countries in the world, and we are also putting one from our country, India. So I'm just writing our names. It's 5 degrees in Amman. When we woke up early in the morning, it was 2 degrees. So it's super cold. Now, today finally, we are going to explore Amman Citadel and Roman Theatre. So we are back in the same outfits because we had planned ये outfit में photos खींचने के लिए उधर. So we are wearing the same outfits. So after we are done exploring, we'll come back to our hotel, change, check out, and then I'll tell you the plan. हम लोग ने ऐसा एक दिन ऐसा हम लोग ने पकड़ के ही चला था कि like because if the flight is delayed, वीज़ा का प्रोसीजर होता है, we had to rent a car. तो हम लोग ने वो ऐसा पकड़ा ही था कि if in case we can't go on the same day, we should have a buffer day. तो आज हमारा buffer morning चल रहा है basically. So we had to go to Wadi Mujib also, but we knew kind of कि winters में उसके trails बंद रहते हैं, and इधर peak winters चल रहा है Jordan में. So let's see, हम लोग अभी Dead Sea जब जाएंगे तब we will inquire what's the scene over there. But it's super cold, and even if we skip it, it's okay. It's not a big deal. So yeah. Let's go now and explore Amman Citadel. It's 4 minutes from our hotel by car. उधर है ऊपर parking yesterday हम लोग ने किया था. So let's go गणपति बप्पा. These are the timings. आप लोग देख लेना आप कभी आ रहे हो. So we are in Feb, so it's open till 5:30. The entry is covered in the Jordan Pass, so he's just scanning it.
Have a good day.
That's the entrance. Thank you. India. It's drizzling. That's the Amman Citadel. There are like very less tourists, of course, because it's winter season. So it's good, you know. You can click good pictures and गर्दी नहीं है basically.
ऐसे ही टाइप के.
Yeah, we're just.
वही भी समझ में गए.
Off season ही जाते हैं. Done with our first tourist destination, which was Amman Citadel. It started raining towards the end जब हम लोग बाहर आ रहे थे, so it's very cold right now. So we're just taking थोड़ा सा time to settle in. The plan is we're going to go to our hotel, check out, and then head to Roman Theatre because अभी बारिश हो रहा है and it's cold outside. तो हम थोड़ा बारिश आने का वेट करेंगे and then we'll change our outfits and then we'll go to Roman Theatre and then उसके बाद we'll head to Dead Sea. Our stay tonight is in Dead Sea, so yeah. We have checked out of our hotel, the Castle Star, and now we are headed to Roman Theatre. The host here, Mohammed, he was so sweet. I will recommend this. We will recommend this place for sure. As I told you, it's between like two tourist destinations, so it is totally recommended.
I can park here.
Quick change in plan. We are in downtown. We are going to Starbucks. The thing is, हम लोग को U-turn नहीं मिला, maps के according था, but इनके rules बहुत अलग है and you have to like follow the arrows over here. So we were directed to downtown. So we are in downtown. I also want to take gloves for myself. So that's what we are going to do. We are parking our car over here. 2JD है इसका parking. आप road पे नहीं park कर सकते. So always park in the parking lot. This is the parking. This is the same area जो कल हम लोग रात को कार से देख रहे थे. Let's see, अभी थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर भी कर ही लेंगे. We have a lot of time. आज वैसे भी कुछ प्लान नहीं है. We just have to head to Dead Sea and do the Roman Theatre. This is a souvenir shop. It is so pretty. Magnet shopping, of course. I am taking this one. I loved it. सबके लिए ले रहे हैं हम लोग. Because fridge magnets हम लोग सबके लिए लेते हैं. Petra. और शॉपिंग चालू हो गया. We also found gloves for me. Much needed. लेके हम लोग फाइनली पहुंच गए Starbucks. We always explore Starbucks in every country we visit, so we have to step in over here. And this is the city, so इधर ही Starbucks. We were randomly walking and I saw the supermarket जिधर सौरभ का favorite juice मिलता है. Show रख दिया वापस से.
एक बड़ा वाला.
Yeah, it's this one. And the way he has rushed, मतलब if you have watched our Dubai vlogs, you know उसका जूस कौन सा है favorite. Crazy. अभी देखेगा बड़ा bottle. अभी हम लोग रोमन थिएटर जैसे walking ही जा रहे हैं because car हम लोग भी पार्क किया, so it's like 10 minutes walking distance. Mumbai.
Very nice people.
Thank you. That's the Roman Theatre right behind me. It's so pretty and there is literally no one except हम लोग ही है. So yeah, off season. Costumes and I'm so excited to see all the costumes of boys. And they have like jewelry also. That's the Amman Citadel. This is the Roman Theatre, and that's our hotel. That one, जो flag के नीचे है. We are done, and that's us. Okay, हम लोग ने अभी सब देख लिया. Now we are headed to the Dead Sea. चलो अभी. We are standing in the line to reach the famous kunafa from Habiba. So let's look at the line. लास्ट व्लॉग में हम लोगों ने कुनाफा खाया था, तो मुझे पसंद नहीं आया था, बट इधर इट्स वेरी फेमस, सो वी आर होपिंग कि लेट्स ट्राई. इतना दूर आए तो मुझे ईट होती है इसका फेमस जो है इधर का. We are exchanging our USD to JD. 20 USD का 14 JD. अभी बारिश नहीं है, रुक गया. Now we are going towards the parking and then we'll head to Dead Sea. Finally अभी सब कुछ हो गया. पेट पूजा, currency exchange, everything is done. So for today we have booked a stay in Dead Sea and we have booked this hotel called as O Beach Resort. So that hotel is 1 hour 2 minutes away from downtown Amman, so that's where we are heading. Very confusing. If you miss one turn, तुम लोग को आगे से U-turn लेना पड़ता है. So make sure कि आप अच्छे से समझ लो पहले maps. Like even if you're understanding अच्छे से तो भी mistake हो सकता है because बहुत cut to cut right है फिर. And इनका one way street बहुत है. This is the Dead Sea Road. बहुत, बट हम लोग को दिख रहा है। डेड सी का रास्ता ही इतना डेडली है, लिटरली कांट सी एनीथिंग गाइस, मतलब प्लीज बी वेरी सेफ ओवर हियर। फाइनली वी कैन सी समथिंग।
Oh shit. Heaven.
सनसेट हो गया है 19 मिनट्स अवे फ्रॉम आवर होटल इन डेड सी। अभी तक फर्स्ट साइटिंग हुआ नहीं है डेड सी का, वी आर येट टू रीच, बट बहुत टाइम से कान बंद होना चालू हो गया। लग रहा है कि लोएस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ अर्थ पे जा रहे हैं हम लोग। On some roads there are no street lights also, so make sure हम लोग जल्दी ही निकलो। We are going to reach like within 9 minutes, so हम लोग को था थोड़ा सा डे लाइट था, ये लास्ट का पैच थोड़ा सा डार्क है, so make sure you're leaving early on अगर आपको रोड जर्नी करना। This is not a tunnel guys, इनके स्ट्रीट लाइट्स नहीं काम करते। On our right is the Dead Sea, of course you can't see anything, but yeah it's the Dead Sea and we are just reaching our hotel, जिसका प्राइवेट बीच है गाइस डेड सी का, so super excited। We have arrived O Beach Hotel and Resort guys, ये हमारा resort है। We have arrived in Dead Sea in our property, it's beautiful, मतलब अभी इतना ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है, सुबह तो लगेगा। इट्स नॉट कोल्ड, मैंने मतलब जैकेट भी नहीं पहना है, इट्स वार्म इनफ ओवर हियर लाइक कंपैरेटिवली, ऑफ कोर्स ठंडी हवा है, बट अमान वाज वेरी कोल्ड। आई थिंक इट वाज ऑफ कोर्स हिली एरिया में, एंड दिस इज ऑफ कोर्स द लोएस्ट पॉइंट ऑन अर्थ, सो इट इज वार्मर। कल हम लोग को जाना है डेड सी में फ्लोट करने, सो या आई एम होपिंग द टेम्परेचर इज लाइक दिस ओनली सो दैट वी कैन फ्लोट। We came from Amman and now we are here, इसलिए उधर इतना ठंडी था और ये कोल्ड ये वार्म है। Guys, we have reached Dead Sea and we have checked into our hotel, which is O Beach Resort. About Dead Sea and about our rest of the journey, you will see it in the upcoming vlogs. But right now, Aman के लिए यही vlog मैं अभी end कर रही हूँ। Cool guys, if you like this video, you know the drill. Make sure hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, also hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload a new video on YouTube. Go and follow me on my Instagram and stay tuned for all the upcoming Jordan vlogs. I'll see you in my next Jordan vlog. उसमें सब Dead Sea वगैरह होगा। We'll float in Dead Sea. I'll give you a room tour also इसका. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll see you in my next one. Until then,
Live and let live.